What's going on, guys? Today is a very special day for me. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or you guys know me in person, you know that I'm a huge Jeep fan. Jeeps are my favorite type of vehicle, and today I get to throw on some 35-inch tires on it. Been waiting forever to do this. So I have a 2.5-inch rough country lift. These are 35-inch Toyo RTs, and I'm putting on 20-inch fuel assault rims. So stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be epic. Alright, I'll show you guys a quick comparison. This is the stock 2.5-inch lift, that's all that's done, and 35. So, big difference here. I think it's a 3-inch difference. I think the stocks are 32, I could be wrong on that, but huge difference. The RT's really aggressive looking tire. Super stoked about this decision to go with these ones because they get a little bit more tread life, and they ride a little quieter, they ride a little smoother, so super stoked. Damn.
Yeah, these are the 20x10s. Yeah, the 10s, this part is pushed in further. So the 9s, it's a lot higher, so this angle's not as steep.
Okay.
So it has a deeper concave to it, and they just look.
Yeah, they look awesome. I feel like I'm in Wayne's World in this garage right now.
It's not my fault, come on. I suppose it's society's. Well, here's an extra $1. Yeah, Sultan, Phil, we were there. Have you?
Alright guys, this is it, and holy shit does it look good. Ooh, night and day. So guys, absolutely love the Jeep. The Toyo tires and the fuel assault rims go great together. So glad I went with the RTs. Aggressive look with still a lot of the capabilities of an AT tire. So just wanted to point out, I have a 2.5-inch lift, so when I turn my tires all the way to the right or all the way to the left with that stock bumper, it does rub a little bit. So if you guys do the same setup, you're gonna want to get an aftermarket bumper eventually. I'll be doing that eventually. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So thanks for watching, guys.
It's the one and only Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm on it with the D.O.E. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the one and only Double G. Hold up.
Swirl.
Alright guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I gotta go.